On question number 4, my first step is to distribute these numbers. So I'm trying to get rid of the parentheses. This will be 2x minus 2 plus 3 is equal to x minus 3x minus 3. My next step is to combine like terms on each side. So this will be 2x plus 1 is equal to negative 2x minus 3. Now I want to get all of the x's onto one side. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides. And this is going to be 4x plus 1 is equal to negative 3. And then finally I'm trying to solve for this x. So subtract 1, 4x is equal to negative 4, and then divide both sides by 4, and x is equal to negative 1.